Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log your gallery album on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my gallery application. And to log our gallery album, we need to activate the Gallery Labs feature. To activate that feature, we can go to the gallery setting. Click on these three lines to open up the settings right here, and then we're going to scroll down until we find about gallery option. Okay, tap on about gallery, and we're going to tap on the version for about 11 times or 12 times to activate the Gallery Labs feature. And I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to count as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and now the Gallery Labs is enabled, and I'm going to go back to the main setting, and we can scroll down and click on the Gallery Labs. Okay guys, and then you need to activate album entry log. Activate this feature on your gallery, and you will be able to log your gallery album. Click on OK, and now the album entry logs has been enabled. And then I'm going to close my gallery. Okay, and we can go back to the gallery and select the album we want to lock. For example, I'm going to lock my download album. Oops, we can tap and hold on the album and then select the more option, and then we can click on log album. Okay, and as you can see guys, that this album has been logged, and I'm going to try to open it. Okay, as you can see, if we want to open it, we need to use pattern or scan our fingerprint. It depends on the type of the lock screen you have applied to your phone. Okay, I'm just going to open it guys. I'm going to scan my fingerprint. Okay guys, and that's all the way to log gallery album on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.